Thank you, Anna. It was a chilly old start to the week. There was a frost in many places and some patchy fog. Temperatures in some spots as low as -6 degrees. A severe frost. What does that tell us about the forthcoming winter? Precisely nothing. It's too far off at the moment, but what we can say is that over the next few nights, frost won't be as widespread, returning for a time around the middle of the week, but generally temperatures holding a degree or so above freezing on most nights. But we'll pay for that with some unsettled weather, some cloud and some rain. We've seen the cloud increasing across Scotland and Northern Ireland during the course of the morning. Rain is on its way. By contrast, for England and Wales, after that chilly and in places foggy start, it's fine, it's bright, beautiful scene outside in Birmingham. That's fairly typical of England and Wales, but as I say, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's turned cloudy and the rain is arriving across Western Scotland. We've seen the rain turning up in Glasgow in the last hour or so, for example. And we will see outbreaks of rain spilling across the rest of Scotland and Northern Ireland during the course of this afternoon. The rain always heaviest in the west, rather lighter and patchy. Some parts of eastern Scotland, the border staying dry until dark. The wind will be picking up all the while, though. Very wet and windy end of the day for western Scotland. Rather unfairly across Hadrian's Wall, very different scene. A lot of dry and bright weather. The clouds slowly increasing for northern parts of England and Wales, the best of the brightness further south. Things cheering up eventually across Kent after that deluge we've had through the weekend. None too warm in most places after that chilly start. Temperatures, well, around about 4 or 5 degrees in some spots where that fog has lingered, more typically 6 to 9. The wind's fairly light in the south, but of course, wind's picking up all the while in the north and the west, so it will feel chilly here. Now this evening we'll see that rain staggering southeastwards into northern parts of England and Wales, eventually down into parts of the Midlands and southwest England, clearing up behind blustery showers in western Scotland. At the other end of the country though, we could well see some patches of fog forming for a time across East Anglia and the southeast, and a touch of frost, but that will be the exception. Most places seeing a frost-free night, temperatures rising with that blanket of cloud and quite a stiff wind as well. So tomorrow morning kicks off rather cloudy in the southeast, that rain eventually arriving. Pretty damp day here. Brightening up behind, some sunshine, especially in the east. Turning wet again, though, for many western parts by evening time. Anna.
Thanks, John.